The word rag in Sanskrit means passion. So when we say Raganuga Bhakti means passionate attachment. A devotion full of passion. Passion means feelings. Passion, rag also means red. Red, raktima. There's one type of bhava in Ujjwala Nilamani, raktima bhava. So this red, because when someone's very passionate, they're very angry, their face gets red. They're very lusty, their face gets red. They're very drunk, their face gets red. Or they're very, they're very. So you can be angry, or you can be thrilled, you can be in bliss, and in the fatigue of some wonderful experience. Your face maybe all be red, but that means rag. So Raganuga Bhakti is a fervor, it's an energy, it's an enthusiasm, and if it's for Radha and Krishna, and following the teachings of Rupa and Raghunath, that's great, because that's what Lord Chaitanya came to give. He came to give Raganuga Bhakti.